my class. We have Igbo language, still on preposition as our topic. Remember, we promised to bring out 15 prepositions with their examples. And this is the last batch of it. We are happy that we have delivered all of them. Okay. Remember, after this, we are going to have our test on it. Hope you will do better. Okay. Let's start. Under this preposition, we are going to see a topic that says pass through, or say pass through. Pass through in Igbo class, it simply means Gafe N'etiti. Repeat after me, class. Gafe N'etiti. Yes, Gafe N'etiti. Let's see them in practical aspect of it. You can see these objects. These are two tables. This is a ball at the middle. You can find out that this ball passed through the two tables. Let's see them in sentences. Sentence 1A says, that ball passed through the two tables. Class, repeat after me. That ball passed through the two tables. Yes. Remember, when we say that, when we use that in sentence, that means a singular thing that is far. You point to it. Class, I point to this ball and say, that ball passed through the two tables. Again, that ball passed through the two tables. Yes. In Igbo, it simply means bọọlụ ahụ gafere n'etiti okpokoro abụọ. Bọọlụ ahụ gafere n'etiti okpokoro abụọ. Remember, say that okpokoro in Igbo means table. It passed through the two tables. You can see it. It passed through the two tables. Let's see another example. You can see this is a bridge. And this is also the second bridge. This is the first bridge, second bridge. And this boat, this ship is at the middle. You can see that this ship is at the middle of the two bridges. Let's see them in sentences, okay? Sentence 2A says, ship is passing through the two bridges now. Ship is passing through the two bridges now. Class, repeat after me. Ship is passing through the two bridges now. Yes. You can see them. Look at the first bridge, the second bridge. Look at the ship. Look at the captain man driving the boat or the ship. Look at the passenger, his passengers. Let's see it in Igbo example. Sentence number 2A. It says, ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'etiti akwa mmiri abụọ ugbu a. Ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'etiti akwa mmiri abụọ ugbu a. Ndị klaasị kwuo ya ọzọ. Ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'etiti akwa mmiri abụọ ugbu a. Yes, that is, ship is passing through the two bridges now. Class, can I ask you a question? Let me ask you a question. Is this ship passing above the two bridges? No. Ship is passing through the two bridges now. Passing through, not above. In Igbo, it means ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'etiti akwa mmiri abụọ. Etiti, passing through. It means ihe ga n'etiti. Ihe so n'etiti. Like and share our videos. Thank you all my friends and followers all over the world for making this journey a huge success. We are now 100 followers. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.